Welcome to YCD Cnario Suite Digital Signage Demo Tutorial, the easy way to create and control your content for any screen. With YCD Scenario Messenger, you can upload, arrange, and design your media and apply it to any given screen or even a number of screens. You can create a standard single-screen layout or a multi-screen video wall layout, and easily manage a network of thousands of display elements. Let's see how easy it is. First, let's start by creating a project layout. The Content Editing and Management module is divided into 3 sections: Projects, Layouts, Content Library, Canvas Editor. Open and arrange as many windows as you would like to put content on. Click on Edit mode in order to activate the template. On the library, you can upload your images, video, text, and any type of media. You can even upload a live link to a web page. Now all you need to do is to drag and drop your images, text, and video onto the chosen window. Now your content is ready for display. And here is a playback preview. For a multi-screen video wall layout, simply choose Multi-Screen Layout option on your project and select the number and resolution of your screens. You can also create a synchronized sequence. Simply right-click on the layer, choose Advanced Item, Synchronized Sequences button, and a new window will open. Drag your materials into the timeline and set keyframe for each one. You can control the scale, position, opacity, and much more. You can create cool transitions and effects and make an amazing looking clip. Let's click the Preview button to see what we've got. Looks good. That's it. You're ready to assign your layouts onto your screens. Click on the Transfer button to open the network window. Drag the desired layout channel into your transferred layout and click Next. Give the job a name and click Finish. And you're done. Your image has become live and is now screened onto your chosen platform. You can also take a snapshot of the screening and check it out. With YCD Scenario Messenger software, you can schedule a project to run at certain hours or even to run on specific sites. It allows you to schedule your media to play by date, playing every day or just on specific days. You can even choose to exclude certain dates like holidays. You can schedule your media to play by keyword. For instance, you can assign your clip a specific language keyword like English or Spanish, or use another keyword like gender, male, female, or maybe by content, retail, banking, corporate. You choose and assign your own keywords, and YCD can automatically create a playlist using these keywords as guides, so the system will know what content to play on which screen. Equipped with API, our YCD can use information like weather, traffic, and maps from other platforms and create a playlist based on external data. Cnario Suite's smart deployment options allows you to send your content to multiple screens and to create your own deployment preset that can save you a lot of time. You can deploy content by sending it to a specific player or by creating a chain, using one player to distribute it to near screens. This can save a lot of money in traffic and storage expenses. Cnario gives you accurate reports about your media deployment. It can tell you which media played on what screen and when. Plus, when using YCD Audience Measurement System that analyzes viewers' presence and dwell times, it can even tell you the gender, age, and for how long the viewer looked at the screen. Cnario Messenger can connect in real time to the player and receive valuable information about its stat use. You can control and monitor it from your computer and even get notifications to your mail. With Cnario, you can manage your media via web interface. You can create and upload content to the software from any computer to your system. And you can add and schedule your content to the library or directly to the playlist. You can create a dynamic window inside your project that allows end users to add and change content as they please. And that's it. It's simple, fast, and easy. Got any further question? Get in touch with us